Hello, everyone. Good morning. I learned that today is the start of Gemini season. First, video communications platform.
State-of-the-art model, VO3.
This is Samsung's Project Muhan, the first.
Google goes wild again, and today we're diving into the 11 biggest highlights from I/O that you probably missed. Yesterday, Google dropped a flood of groundbreaking AI announcements, mind-blowing features, and futuristic tech that's pushing the boundaries of what's possible. From revolutionary language models to next-level AR and VR, Google is racing full speed into the AI-powered future. Think you caught it all? Think again. Stick around as we uncover the most impactful, surprising, and downright wild moments from Google I/O 2023. Let's get into it. 1.5 Gemini and DeepThank. At the heart of Google's AI blitz is Gemini 2.5, a model that has crushed previous reasoning benchmarks like DeepAI's GPT-3 and even the more affordable Gemini Flash. The performance leap is staggering. Gemini 2.5 isn't just better, it's redefining what's possible in reasoning tasks. In fact, Gemini's capabilities in understanding and reasoning now approach, or even surpass, human-level comprehension in certain contexts. But the real kicker? Google is integrating Gemini directly into Chrome, enabling it to navigate websites, fill forms, and interact with online content on your behalf. Second, web navigation and UI generation. One of the most startling announcements is that Gemini will soon have the ability to navigate websites, interact with content, and even generate UI designs automatically. Google's new tool, Stitch, exemplifies this shift. Stitch isn't just an assistant, it's an AI that can automatically generate and design user interfaces for web apps. What does this mean for web designers? The landscape is changing rapidly. Instead of manually crafting every pixel, designers might soon rely on AI to generate prototypes, layouts, and even entire websites in a matter of seconds. Jules. Google is also unveiling Jules, an asynchronous agentic coding assistant. Jules can write, debug, and optimize code for your AI projects, effectively acting as a co-developer. This could significantly accelerate software development cycles, but it also stirs fears about job security for programmers. Jules represents a broader trend: AI agents that can handle complex, multi-step tasks independently. By automating routine coding tasks, Jules could free developers to focus on higher-level design and innovation, or conversely, threaten to replace many routine programming roles altogether. 4. Flow. Flow is perhaps the most ambitious AI tool announced, capable of generating entire cinematic adventures with minimal human input. From script writing to scene rendering, Flow could revolutionize content creation, especially for YouTube creators and independent filmmakers. Imagine faceless YouTubers producing high-quality AI-generated videos effortlessly, or studios creating entire series with AI-generated scripts, visuals, and sound. 5. A bold new pricing model. Perhaps the most controversial aspect of Google's I/O was the introduction of the AI Ultra subscription plan. To access the full power of Gemini 2.5, users will need to fork over $124.99 per month for 3 months, then $249 monthly thereafter. Plus, early adopters get a month free and a staggering 30 terabytes of cloud storage for all their generated content. This pricing is steep, especially considering the level of performance Gemini offers. But for heavy AI users, content creators, developers, researchers, the investment might be justified by the capabilities unlocked. 6. Open models. In a surprising move, Google announced that Gemini 3N models will be open to developers. This means independent creators and companies can harness Gemini's power to build their own applications, products, or enhancements. Performance-wise, Gemini 3N is approaching the capabilities of Claude, AnthAI's renowned AI, and Sonnet 3.7. Open access to such advanced models could democratize AI development, fostering innovation outside Google's immediate ecosystem. Yidinchi Agent Model. One of the standout features of Google's presentation was the evolution of agent mode, previously known as Project Mariner. Now integrated into Gemini, agent mode allows the AI to take actionable steps on websites, clicking buttons, filling forms, posting comments, and even interacting with other tools like Figma. This is a monumental leap. Instead of just providing answers, AI agents can now perform complex workflows autonomously. 8. Project Astra and the future of AR. Google's Project Astra is a live video AI that describes the world around you in real time. I've personally tested it to identify edible mushrooms in the wild, and it works surprisingly well. This could have significant applications in outdoor activities, navigation, and even safety. Additionally, Android XR glasses are in development, blending AR and VR to create immersive experiences. These glasses could compete with Meta's Ray-Ban Stories and other smart eyewear, signaling Google's serious push into augmented reality. 9. Project Beam. One of the more futuristic announcements was Project Beam, an AI-powered tool that converts 2D video into immersive 3D environments. Imagine transforming a simple video call into a lively, three-dimensional meeting space. This could revolutionize remote work, education, and entertainment. While still in early stages, the potential applications are vast. For instance, virtual concerts, interactive lessons, or even immersive therapy sessions could become commonplace thanks to this technology. 10th, upgraded video and image generation. Google's VO and Imagen tools have seen major upgrades, allowing users to generate high-quality videos and images with minimal input. Now you can generate videos with synchronized sound, creating realistic scenes from mere prompts. This leap in generative content technology could fill streaming platforms with AI-created content, reducing production costs and opening new creative horizons. Flow, Google's flagship content tool, aims to serve Hollywood studios and content creators, potentially automating much of the content pipeline. 11th, CSS primitives for carousels. Finally, a seemingly small but surprisingly impactful update. CSS now includes primitives for building carousels. Gone are the days of writing thousands of lines of jQuery. With just a few hundred lines of CSS, developers can create sophisticated, responsive carousels. This seemingly minor enhancement underscores Google's commitment to empowering developers with simpler, more efficient tools, enabling faster development cycles and more dynamic websites. A glimpse into the AI-driven future. Google's I/O 2024 wasn't just an event. It was a declaration that AI is now central to everything the company does. From ultra-powerful models like Gemini 2.5 to ambitious AR/VR projects, Google is pushing boundaries at an unprecedented pace. While these innovations promise incredible benefits, automation, creativity, accessibility, they also raise important questions about ethics, jobs, and the future of human-AI collaboration. As AI continues to evolve rapidly, one thing is clear: the future is here, and it's wilder than we ever imagined. Whether you're a developer, content creator, or everyday user, staying informed and adaptable will be key to navigating this exciting new landscape. Stay tuned, the AI revolution is just getting started.